Moisturizing Heel Cream. Made with rich argan oil, Heel Rescue is specially formulated to penetrate, moisturize and repair even the toughest cracks and calluses. Great for feet, heels, elbows, knees and hands. Concentrated formula. This antioxidant-rich, non-greasy, fragrance-free formula will soothe and repair feet and heels with no unpleasant residue. Get baby-soft feet with soothing, penetrating moisture. For your foot health, try all of our foot care products including custom inserts, foot cushions, heel pads, orthotic insoles, toe beds and pouches, and treatments for toenail fungus, bunions, corns and more. Footcare Experts. We know foot pain and discomfort can stop you from walking, running, working, standing, or whatever you need to do. That's why we make the highest quality products with the best materials. Profoot products. We're here to provide you relief for a variety of issues from plantar fasciitis, foot pain, arch pain, back pain, hammer toes, cracked heels, corns, calluses, blisters, bunions, toenail fungus and more. Top reviews from the United States. Great USA product. I've been using this for almost 2 years, almost through my second bottle. I use it probably 6 days a week right after I shower. Cured all the dry skin and cracks on my heels from being in the pool, working on my feet, whatever. Also for the price it's a win-win.